Hello everybody, to this video I will show you how to fix and solve a sound problem on your Reddit app easy and quick. Let's do it. So open first your settings of your mobile phone, click on apps option, search for Reddit right now and click. Here guys, you will find this list of options. Come to storage, click right now, clear cache and just back. Click here on force stop at the corner of the screen and click OK. And move directly right now to Play Store or App Store and update your Reddit app. And right now guys, just you have to restart your phone and that's all. So don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.